Hey everyone, want to enable sleeping tabs in Microsoft Edge? Sleeping tabs automatically put inactive tabs to sleep, helping reduce memory usage, improve browser performance, and extend battery life on laptops. In this full guide, I'll show you how to enable sleeping tabs in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Settings. Next, select System and Performance from the left-hand menu. This section contains options that help improve Edge's speed, efficiency, and resource usage. Now enable the Save Resources with Sleeping Tabs option. Once it's turned on, Microsoft Edge will automatically put inactive tabs to sleep after the amount of time you choose. You can also customize how sleeping tabs work. Choose how long Edge should wait before putting tabs to sleep, and add websites to the exception list if you never want them to sleep. After the feature is enabled, inactive tabs will automatically enter sleep mode after the selected time. Sleeping tabs usually appear faded or dimmed, and they wake up automatically when you click them. Continue using Microsoft Edge normally and monitor your browser's performance. With many tabs open, sleeping tabs can help reduce memory usage and improve overall responsiveness. For the best experience, combine sleeping tabs with efficiency mode. Regularly close tabs you no longer need, keep Microsoft Edge updated, and use tab groups or workspaces to stay organized. These features work together to improve both performance and productivity, and that's how to enable sleeping tabs in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're working with dozens of tabs or simply want better browser performance, sleeping tabs can help your system run more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.